Hey y'all, it's Michelle Hill, Southern Inspirations. Welcome to Pool Landscaping Season 1, Episode 7. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you the very cool, time-saving irrigation system for my plants and flowers all around the pool that my husband and his friend installed for me. So stay tuned. So first of all, let me tell y'all that this irrigation system for the plants and flowers around the pool is tied into our irrigation system for our yard, the sprinkler system that was already put in. My husband and his friend went to Home Depot and got all the various supplies they needed just to tie it into that. And y'all, it is such a time saver. I have been spending anywhere from 40 to 45 minutes each evening watering all the flowers around the pool and then the ones on the front porch, which there's not that many on the front porch, but still. So now it only takes me about 5 minutes to water because since this was installed, it's set up on a timer, and I'm going to show you the little dripper nozzles and the soaker hose, and which is all set up and squared away for each plant and for each bed. And so every night about 11 o'clock, we've got it set on a 15-minute timer where it goes directly into the plants. And then there's only 2 or 3 that I have to do each evening. So while I'm snoozing, the plants are getting watered. So y'all stand by. I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, here we go. So you'll see that hose right there. That has black one that's going this way through my rocks, okay? And then this black section of the hose comes into this brown hose that goes this way into the bed, okay? So I'm gonna start with the brown hose. It is a soaker hose. So all the way around on both sides of the hose, there are little holes all along the way, and that's, like I said, that way on both sides, and it's all the way up. It's all the way around there. See that? It goes all the way, come around and show y'all right here. Just circles around, okay? So like I mentioned before, every night at 11 that comes on, and all those little holes just, you know, water comes out and takes care of all those flowers, okay? So that is that one. Give you one more shot of that flower bed up against the house. Very pretty. Stays watered. Okay, now this one is going this way, and if y'all remember, I shared with you that I've got all pots over here. I've got 8 separate pots right here, and everything is growing so beautifully. Look how much that has grown, y'all. I mean, they've all grown since episode 1. It's crazy. I've got 3 of those, and they will bloom late July, maybe into August. So that one, and that one down there will all bloom and get big. That's the pampas grass. There's the purple grass that will also bloom. There's my rose of Sharon. I've got 2 of those. Look how nuts, y'all. When I put this stuff in here, when I first did it for episode 1, it was like tiny, and look how much it's grown. These will bloom late summer with flowers, a rose of Sharon. These Japanese yews have grown. It's just nuts. But back to the hose. All right, so there's the black hose, and I'll show you where this is coming out right there, okay? And then you see that little tube goes directly into the plant, and so there's what's called a dripper nozzle, and it's just directly in there. See that one? This one, he's got it in there somewhere. Oh, there it is on that side. Yeah, there's that one. He's got one in there. I won't show you every single one. Y'all get the idea. He's got one in every single one of these. Have one. There's that one. And there's that one. Okay. And then you'll see the hose is still going around all the way. I don't have my umbrellas up or my pillows out right now, so y'all don't get to see all that. look how much this thing has grown. My goodness. Go back and look at episode 1 and then look at here. It's crazy. Or no, it wasn't episode 1. I didn't have my plants in. Whatever episode that was. And then he's got it coming down in there somewhere. Follow all around. He's got one going in the back of this pot and then one going in the back of this pot. Those are growing beautifully, and then it comes on around and it connects to another soaker hose that is going into this little area, but I'm not, you see how those are horrible. I had bad luck with those. When we had a really strong heavy rain a couple days ago, this whole area got soaked too much and I lost them. That was before we did the hose, so I'm going to redo all that. So what I'll say about this is it is wonderful. I've already mentioned how much time it saves. So what I've got to do now is go back and essentially just bury it. You know, I don't know what I'll do, if I'll put rocks over it or what I'll do, but I essentially want to hide it, or maybe do it up against here. Maybe somehow I'll hide it. And then the one over there, I think it'll be just as simple as burying it a little bit with the dirt. So there you go. Give y'all another good shot of the pool. Awesome, fun, we're enjoying it. So there's our cool irrigation system. I'll see y'all soon. Bye y'all.